Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Jenny. So today it's a change of scenery. Normally I'm in the Tesla, but today I am in the apartment. Today I will be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max for you. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. Well, here it is. So here is the newest iPhone 12 Pro Max at a 6.7 inch screen. And the original, which is what I had, which is the 11 Pro at 5.8 inches. And look at the difference. I mean, it's a huge difference. Look at this. And I mean, what really sold me was, I mean, the camera is still the same. I'm kind of the same on both. When you take photos, but what really sold me was the size, the design. They went back to the square design, which I totally love, and it's so much easier to hold. But here is the 11 Pro, and here they are side by side, the design. This one's more rounded, and obviously this one's more squared. So here is the size comparison for them both. And I decided to get the silver. Here it is. So pretty, and I'm so in love with it. Like, I thought the size would be a little bit too big for me, but I mean, after playing with it at the Apple store, I actually fell in love with the size. So I'm so happy with it. And Pete, he actually upgraded from the 12 Pro. He upgraded because I got the 12 Pro Max. So that's the only reason why he upgraded. So here is Pete's blue 12 Pro Max. I actually like the blue, but I just love the silver more, at least for me. But this is his. So he actually upgraded. Well, he only upgraded from the 12 Pro to the 12 Pro Max only because I decided to get the bigger one. So it's either I go big or, go big or go home, I guess. So here are the two colors, silver and the blue. So right now he's actually restoring from the iCloud right now. So I was able to snatch it from him and show you guys at least how pretty the blue is. So I guess I'll just do a thumbnail right now. So with the new iPhone, it only includes the charging cable. It doesn't include the charging brick. So, I mean, it kind of sucks if you didn't get the 11 because it's a USB-C charging. So I don't know if you can actually see that. So it's no longer like the USB charging anymore. So that's it. Like, look how thin the box is. So it doesn't include the brick anymore, but I think it does include, I guess, the Apple sticker. But who actually uses these anymore? Comment down below if you still use this, because I know I don't. Okay, so what I thought was kind of funny is I watched a few videos when the iPhone 12 first came out, and this guy actually said something kind of funny. To me, what really stuck out was like, them not including the charging brick with your charging cable. It's like buying brand new Jordans or Nikes or whatever shoes you want without the shoelaces. So it's like, oh, why don't you just use the old shoelaces from your old pair of shoes, wash it, and then just, add it to your new shoes. I just thought it was kind of funny. Well, I mean, it's kind of true. It's like, why don't you include the charging brick with a brand new phone? I also got a new case. Actually, this is just a temporary case. I got a case custom made. Another tipping point for me was I was able to actually custom a case because I actually love this case. A company did this when Kobe had passed, RIP. Can't find this anywhere, so I actually found someone on Etsy to custom make it for me. And I actually took this same photo back in February, so I used that photo. But I will be using this case temporarily until my Kobe case comes in. And I actually like this color, but who knows? Maybe I might keep it, maybe I won't. Let me just go ahead and open it. See. Oh my gosh. Did I open it from the bottom? I was struggling when there was like an actual green tab to pull. Thanks to Pete for letting me know where to pull this off. But here is the maroon burgundy wine Merlot colored case. I actually like it. It's a silicone casing. So, I mean, I actually like it. It's really pretty. It actually goes with my beanie. Very fall color. So, let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh my gosh. Super cute. Look how big this phone is. Do it this way because I don't want to dirty my screen just yet. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I mean, look at the difference. Isn't that crazy? I mean, from 5.8 inches to 6.7, I mean, is kind of a huge difference for me, but I don't feel that it's like too big or too wide. But I mean, I still have to turn it on. I still have to download, restart this phone and download from the iCloud. But here is the burgundy casing. I love it. So pretty, so cute, so fall. It matches with my beanie. Love it. Well guys, I hope you liked my first unboxing video ever. But comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell so that way you guys will always get a notification when I post a new video. If you have any recommendations, opinions, or any video ideas, drop it in the comments below, and who knows, I may be filming that idea next. Well, see you in the next video. Bye!